Tracking the last of the snow across parts of the Great Lakes this afternoon, we ended up with around 1 to 3 inches of snowfall across mid-Missouri, but had a couple of higher amounts across Osage and Gasconade counties, up to 4 inches in Mount Sterling. Ashland had about 3. Holt Summit in Mexico, as well as California, right around 2.5 inches. We had just under 2 in Columbia. Most of that snowfall now working its way across parts of Michigan, Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and Indiana. That will continue to keep cloud cover around mid-Missouri for the rest of today into tonight. It's going to be a chilly afternoon as we're remaining in the 30s throughout the day. And then tonight we're dipping down into the 20s as we get into Wednesday morning, dropping down to about 23 in the capital city. Getting into the afternoon, it's not much warmer. We're staying right around 30 degrees. The clouds do look to hang around into Wednesday afternoon, possibly a couple flurries, but we're not looking at any impacts with that. The rest of the week is staying chilly and not tracking any more precipitation, but temperatures stay well below average here as we get into the end of the week. As you'll notice here, our jet stream keeps that cold air on top of us throughout the entire week into the weekend. And we're going to have some very cold low temperatures as well as we dip down into the teens Friday, Saturday, and Sunday mornings. Now, as we get into next week, that cold air finally pushes its way onto the east. We'll start to see a bit of a warm up as the jet stream lifts a little bit farther north, especially by Monday. Temperatures will get back into the 40s. We'll possibly get into the 50s by Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday evening into Thursday, they'll be tracking the potential of another low pressure system that could bring some precipitation by Thanksgiving. Here's what our wind chills look like over the weekend. Our morning temperatures again will be in the teens, but it will feel like the single digits Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So definitely want to have the layers, hat, and gloves if you're going to be out at any point over the weekend. We can expect sunshine though Friday through Sunday, and then getting into next week, a few more clouds, but temperatures do start to warm up as we climb back into the 40s.